For over 3 decades, NYK Logistics Project Cargo Division has worked hard to change the scope of worldwide logistics and project cargo transportation through innovation and imagination. We are deeply rooted in the belief that although every logistics situation is unique, they are all similar in the respect that timing is crucial, dedication is absolute, and mistakes are unacceptable. Customers around the globe turn to us because no matter what the dynamics, when it comes to sensitive, overdimensional, or heavy-duty cargo, they rely on our knowledge, preparation, and dedication to deliver anything, anytime, anywhere. We make it happen with unrivaled resources, capabilities, and financial strength, global presence, and a commitment to making the impossible possible. That's how we've helped some of the most well-known names in the business get their business done. No matter what the situation calls for, we have the people and equipment in place to make things happen when they need to happen. Like our unique Flatbed Coalition, which monitors flatbed progress and keeps up with each load and its coordinates. This vast network of flatbed shippers brings more capacity, greater efficiency, exceptional reloading capabilities, and quicker turnaround times, which keeps rates down. One of our many Project Cargo success stories involved a contract with a major U.S. auto manufacturing facility in Indiana. The scope of the work involved delivering 7 Komatsu press machines from Kanazawa, Japan to Princeton, Indiana. The NYK Logistics Project Cargo Division delivered a flawless logistics plan that met all customer requirements and delivered in a timely manner. Most jobs are single action, but here, everything had to be exact. Each segment of the process had to be in sync and on time. We answered the challenge to meet the requirements of every participant in the process, the plant's general contractor, engineers, the delivery requirements of the customer from the port in Japan, and the barges, cranes, and stevedores at the port in New Orleans. Every detail was taken care of. We marked all inland river terminals for the freight-laden barges, secured storage warehouses for non-priority cargo, obtained the required over-dimensional permits in all states. In this 10-month operation, we analyzed every process to ensure a synchronized, safe, and efficient journey. When the purchase order for the Komatsu press equipment originated, our Project Cargo team in Japan went to work. After a 2-month crating process, 333 crates were transported across the Pacific Ocean through the Panama Canal, arriving on time in New Orleans. There, we transloaded each piece of cargo onto 9 inland river barges. Each piece was loaded according to a strict delivery schedule, so there was absolutely no margin for error. After 4 days of safe transloading, the barges traveled the 1,025 miles up the Mississippi and Ohio rivers to destination points in Mount Vernon, Indiana, and Henderson, Kentucky. 7 barges holding 314 crates of equipment were unloaded into storage in Mount Vernon. The 2 remaining barges with larger equipment discharged in Henderson, which was more equipped to handle this tonnage. The 19 largest pieces weighed over 50 tons each. Next, the over-the-road transportation began. In this final stage, the cargo was successfully transloaded 200 times over a 45-day shipping interval. The 5 largest pieces of the Komatsu press equipment were moved by 19 axle trailers that were 190 feet long. The largest of these pieces was a 200,000-pound crown, one of the most critical components of the entire manufacturing plant. At the end of the 3-month, 7,000-mile journey, all 333 pieces of the Komatsu press equipment arrived on time outside Princeton, Indiana. During the process, the NYK project team delivered innovative thinking and timely precision to successfully load and unload each piece of cargo in the exact sequence required by our customer, not just once, but 4 times, keeping the most time-sensitive freight available for immediate transportation. The loading sequence maximized the amount of space on barges and trucks, minimizing the number of truckloads necessary for efficient, cost-effective transportation. When your money and your reputation are on the line, there is no room for mistakes or missed opportunities. Whether you need specific processes or full turnkey applications, NYK Logistics Project Cargo Division delivers with innovation and a desire to improve every day. We welcome the opportunity to leverage our decades of project cargo experience, unequaled financial stability, resources, and global power to prove it to you. NYK, innovate and deliver.